Well, ninth group. Let's start continuity of the lesson. That is Justice Above Self by Munshi Premchand. Well, ninth group student, you see here page number 94. Get ready with your all attachment, notebook, etc., including your textbook. Page 94. Check your comprehension. Share your responses. Question 1, page 94. Who did Algu sell his bullock to? Algu Chowdhury was in a tight spot. He sold one of his bullocks to Sanju Shaha, a cart driver of the village. Page 94, question 2. What happened to the bullock bought by Sahu from Algu? The understanding was that page 93, paragraph 7. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock sold by Algu died within a month. Next one. Page 94, question 3. Who did Sahu nominate as the head punch? Page 93, paragraph 8. Algu reminded Sahu of the money he had not yet paid. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin, Sahu said angrily. Algu decided to take the case to Panchayat. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, the voice of the punch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head punch. I will abide by his decision. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. Page 94, question 4. How did Algu feel hearing the judgment? Number 4, page 94, continuation of paragraph 9 from 93 page number. Now you follow page 94, paragraph 9 continuation, last part. Algu could not contain his feelings. He said loudly, victory to the Panchayat. This is justice. God lives in the voice of the punch. So I think you have already checked your understanding point, that is your comprehension. You should comprehend, you should understand the fact so that you can read properly and you can write excellently any answers in any competitive examination. Yes, ninth group. Page 94, glossary, that is the word meanings. Earlier, before the beginning of the lesson, I told you, time and again you will go through it, all the word meanings. Make notes nicely in your notebook with good handwriting, blue and black, blue and black. Very neatly you maintain the notes. Come to the point. Page 95. Think about the text. Answer the following questions by choosing the correct option. I am not. Number 1, page 95, ninth group, get ready. Concentrate your mind. Page 95, number 1. I am not wanted in your house. You see. Part A, who is referred to as I? Part B, where was the speaker? Part C, what did the speaker demand? Now you open page 91, paragraph 3. Answer is given here. You will get the answer. Please open page 91, paragraph 3. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Underline, mark all the important lines in your textbook in English literature whenever you are reading the prose or you are reading the poem. Kindly give me a a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. This one, old aunt of Juman told it to Juman because Juman's wife was very problematic and she put all sorts of trouble. Even she was not ready to give a minimum food to that lady, the old aunt. Thus, she complained to Juman. Now, Juman replied aggressively, adamantly. Juman supported to his wicked, nonsense wife and threatened to the old aunt. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Page 95, question 2. How can I go against him? A. Who said it? B. Who does him refer to? C. Why was he not ready to go against the person? Now for the answer part. Page 91, paragraph 4. Page 91, paragraph 4. Okay. The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. Some sympathized with her. Others laughed at her. A few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. But is it right, my son? Chachi replied, the aunt replied. To keep mum, to keep silent and not say what you consider just and fair, pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Now come to the point. Page 96, question 3. I will abide by her decision. A. Who agreed to abide by her decision? B. Where did the person make the statement? C. What decision is referred to here? So, excuse me. Page 96, question 3. I will abide by her decision. A. Who agreed to abide by her decision? B. Where did the person make the statement? C. What decision is referred to here? Now, answer you will get in page 92, paragraph 5. Page 92, paragraph 5. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, the voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head panch. I will abide by her decision. I nominate Algu Chaudhary as the panch. The panch knows neither enemy nor friend, stated the old lady. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. Yes, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the panch and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Come to the point. Page 96, question 4. He brought us nothing but ruin. Page 93, paragraph 8. You will get the answer. A. Who said this? B. Who was this said to? C. How did he bring ruin to his owner? Page 93, paragraph 8. Several months after the death of the bullock, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he had not yet paid. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin, Sahu said angrily. Algu decided to take the case to the panchayat. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, "The voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head panch. I will abide by his decision." Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. Page 96, question number 5. Here you see, I had become your enemy. Who had become the enemy of whom? When did the enmity start? What caused the enmity between them? So here, page 94, paragraph 10. Page 94, paragraph 10, you will get all the answers of this following question. Juman soon after came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last panchayat I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a panch. A panch knows no friend or enemy but only justice. Let no one divide, separate from the path of justice to us togetherly and truth for friendship or enmity." Algu was also in tears. His tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. They became again very good friends. So read the story, read this much only question answers till page 96. Next video I will start after that. In between, get ready with all the notes, attachment, reading part, writing task. God bless you.